Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss third mode of heat transfer. What is that third mode? Radiation of heat. What is radiation? Heat energy can travel in the form of waves. Okay, as light comes to us from sun in the form of waves, in the same manner the heat comes to us in the form of electromagnetic waves. In what form? Electromagnetic waves. These electromagnetic waves are also called radiation. So what are radiation? The electromagnetic wave, the heat comes to us in the form of electromagnetic wave, and we call this heat radiation. We get the heat from this. Now children, next point is just light travels. Fourth point is just as light travels in light can travel in air, it can travel in air, it can travel in water, and children, it also travels in vacuum. It also travels in vacuum. Okay, so light, light travels in air, water and vacuum. Same manner, heat also travels in air, water and vacuum. And in which form? Electromagnetic waves. Okay, in the form of electromagnetic wave. Light also travels in form of electromagnetic waves. Okay. Now next point is all bodies. Okay, all bodies, when they give out heat, they give out heat in the form of radiation. What I told you, all the body, when they give out heat, they give out heat in the form of radiation. Suppose any hot ball is lying or hot object is there, the heat is coming out. This heat is coming out in what form? In the form of radiation. Like children, heater, electric heater you have seen, the heat is coming out from the coil in the form of radiation. Okay. So energy from all we are getting heat energy from the sun. So energy which is coming from sun to us, it is coming in which form? It is coming in the form of radiation. Okay. Now children, both the things happen. When the heat is coming out, we call that radiation, and sometime body absorb this radiation also. Not sometime, always the bodies they absorb radiation. Like when the sun is giving out heat, any object is lying in open, it becomes hot. It becomes hot. You have seen, and why this object becomes hot? Because it absorbs those radiations. Okay. Children, very interesting thing, this absorption depend on color also. This absorption depends on color also. Suppose any dark object is lying in the sun. Sun is there, two objects are there. Suppose this is dark can. Okay. We can do one experiment. We can discuss this. We are going to take two can and we are going to paint it with the black color. And we are going to paint it with the white color. Okay. Now we are going to fill what? Water. We have filled water and going to keep one thermometer. Okay. Now leave it for few hours in the sun. Now when we will come back after 3 hours, 4 hours, we will find the temperature of this water is more. Temperature of this water is more than the temperature of this water. Why? Just because of the color. Just because of the color. The black color absorbs more radiations. Okay? Black color absorbs more radiation and white color absorbs less radiation. That's why in this can the water is more warm than this one. Okay? In daily life you can see the example in summers. We like to wear light colors clothes. Why? Light colors, they absorb less radiations. That's why in summers we wear light color clothes. And in opposite, in winters we wear dark color clothes so that they absorb more heat energy and we feel warm. And also opposite children, what happened? The dark bodies like black, they radiate the heat more. They radiate the heat more. Okay? And the light bodies, light colored, they radiate less heat. Okay? They absorb more heat, they radiate more heat. They absorb less heat, they radiate less heat. Okay, children? So black and dark bodies radiate more heat than light colored bodies. Now children, we are going to discuss about the application of radiation. Application. This where we use this. All you have seen electric heater. Electric heater, the rod is there. Okay, and you know the back side reflector is there. Here, this is what? Reflector. We sit in front of this heater, the light coming in front. Okay, the heat here, the radiations coming in front, back side also going, and this is getting what? Wasted. To stop this waste, what we do, we put the reflector here. We can minimize the heat loss by making the surface more reflective. So what happens? The radiations which go back side, this reflector reflect them in front. Reflect them in front. And children, we will get double amount of heat. Okay, we will get double amount of heat. Now the second is solar panels. All you know solar panels? Solar panels is used in households for heating water. Okay, in place of water geyser run by electricity, we run it by solar panels. So they are designed in such a manner so that they maximize the absorption of heat. Solar cells, all you have seen, they are like this, black in color. They are black in color. Okay, they are designed in such a manner so that the absorption would be maximum. A black metal sheet is used so that it absorbs more radiations. Okay. So these are the two applications of radiation. Now we are going to discuss about how to prevent loss of heat. Okay, children? Okay, children, we have discussed about 3 modes of heat transfers. First was conduction, then convection, and then radiation. Now we are going to discuss preventing loss of heat. Okay. preventing loss of heat. Okay. A thermos flask is a good example of how heat loss of all three modes of heat transfer, conduction, convection and radiation is minimized. In what? Thermos flask. This we are going to discuss. All you are seeing the structure here. Heat loss due to the conduction is minimized by using insulating material such as plastic for the outer casing. This is outer casing. So this casing is made of what? Plastic. All you know, plastic is bad conductor. So we can minimize conduction here by using outer casing made of plastic. Okay. The inner jar is double walled. You are seeing this is one wall and this is other one. Inner jar is made of double wall. Okay, it is made of glass. It is made of glass. The inner jar is a double walled bottle made of glass, or sometimes it is made of stainless steel. Okay, children. The space between them, these two walls, the space is there. This space is what? Nothing is there. Vacuum is created. What is created? Vacuum. Okay. The space between the two walls is a vacuum, so that heat loss due to conduction is minimized. Okay. You know, conduction cannot take place in vacuum. Convection also cannot take place in vacuum. So conduction and convection is minimized here again by the creation of vacuum. This also reduces heat loss due to convection, as I told you, as there is no air. Okay. Heat loss due to radiation is minimized up to now. Children, we have discussed two ways we have minimized conduction and convection. Conduction and convection. How? Outer casing we have made of plastic. It is bad conductor. Okay. Second, we have created vacuum here. So what will not take place? Conduction and convection. So these two modes are minimized. Now third mode, this is inner wall. Double wall, this is, and this one is inner wall. Inner wall, it is made of glass. Glass vessel it is written, and it is polished by silver color. Okay, silver. So heat loss due to radiation is minimized by making the surface of the jar highly reflective. How are we going to make it reflective? By polish it. Okay, silvery grey color. So it becomes highly reflective. Okay, now the tea is or hot milk is filled in this. It will remain hot for many hours. Why? Because we have prevented what? Conduction, convection, and third is radiation. Again I am repeating. Conduction by making the outer casing with the plastic, and also by creating vacuum here. Conduction will not take place. In vacuum, what will not take place? Convection will not take place. And inner wall is highly reflective. What will happen? The heat will move out from the tea. Okay. Now this reflective surface again return the heat back. Return the heat back. So the loss of heat will be prevented by these three methods. Okay. and heat will remain there, and the tea is remain hot for long time. Children, clear this thermos flask?